We switched the tractors about, we've moved the universal and sheeted it up now, as it's all clean and tidy for the time being until we get the shed built, our new building to store them in. We dragged the 1060 down here, give it a jet wash. It's dried overnight and it's a really nice original tractor. This is the export model, a few extras to a normal British home market one, as you will have seen in the other video. We are going to, why it's a nice day, give it a coat of Owatrol paint conditioner. So this is it before we start, and quite simply it's just a case of brushing it on and buffing it off with a rag, lightly buff it off. It's paint conditioner which will bring out all the original paint and make it look good. It's also got rust inhibitor in it, so it protects as well, just why they stood outside temporarily until we get our new building put up. So with the power of TV, we're going to go. Well, here we go, a couple of hours later, with a bit of elbow grease. The Owatrol's been on for like a couple of hours now, I'd say. It's a lovely sunny day, it bakes it on. It's kind of has the consistency of honey when you spread it on, just with a clean paintbrush, spread it on. And then gently buff it off as not to take it all off with a rag, just removes any brush marks. But as you can see, it's like a restoration in a can. It all depends in which part of the world you're in, but over in England at the moment there seems to be a big craze for oily rag restorations like this. You see them sell at auctions and sometimes they're bringing more than a fully restored one, but if you zoom in closely you can see the orange paint. Now that wheel just looked like rust and you can see it's bringing out the orange paint in it. But the rust inhibitor will, you know, once it's fully cured, it will protect it for like up to 2 years, and if you want it off you just use white spirit or petrol to dissolve it. If you want it removing, give the old, well, the new old mower a quick jet wash off. But yeah, it's still looking a bit shiny there, but once it's cured it'll give like a semi matte finish. So I've just got lights here. It's near the workshop. I'm going to get this light and the plough light wired in, then that's all the lights working, and then all the little jobs are done on it then. We've got our replica Nuffield pen. They had them when they were new, with the big eye in the top. And you can see it, the Owatrol is bringing out the orange in the paintwork. Now that was just rust earlier, but you can see the orange is coming through quite nicely. And when they're in that kind of condition, it's just a shame to rub it all down and paint over it, they're only original once. So there we go, that's Sunday the 21st of June. That's a bit of activity for today. Yesterday we were busy mowing, got all the garden cut, all the shrubs and hedges are all trimmed, and we've mowed all the grass over at the farm. There's just the hedge at the front by the roadside to do. All these little chores on top of work and that, you know, tractor progress slows down a bit, but as long as we keep nibbling away at it, we'll get there in the end. It's Monday night, the Owatrol's mostly dry. Well, it will be dry, it's been really hot today, baking it. Give the original paintwork a lovely sheen. I've replaced the stop cable that needed sorting, and yeah, it just wants a quick service now. Diesel filter, oil filter, and that's another one that will be sorted. Bit of waste there. We've just been finishing the garage off. It'll certainly be a lot warmer in there this winter. Once the doors are made, we'll get the grinder and cut the old tin door out in sections. So that's a good job done. Just pan out and you can just get a better idea of it. There we go. So that's where we're up to. It's 10 to 10 on Monday night, and I'm going to bed because we've got work in the morning. So thanks for now. Hey bud, what are you doing down there? Chilling in the heat. Ew. Hello. Hello everybody and welcome back to the show. It's well, at the weekend I jet washed the 1060 off, give it a coat of Owatrol, and it's baked in the sun for a couple of days. It's looking rather nice, aged, patinaed, whatever the word is that takes your fancy. That's just the way I like to find them. It's had the engine rebuilt. There's just a couple of lights to wire up on it, and that's finished, as far as I'm taking it anyway. Yeah, it takes a couple of days for the Owatrol to like go off. It, you know, it's tacky for a couple of days, but anyway, it's good now. And it's got rust protection, rust inhibitors built into it. A few of our American viewers have never heard or seen Nuffield, so just driver's point of view. The offset steering wheel, the dashboard distinctly for a 1060 or a 1042, which is a 3-cylinder version. We've got the high and low range here, and then the 5 speeds. PTO clutch lever here, accelerator over there, clutch, independent brakes, handbrake. And then the PTO engagement levers down here behind the seat. This one has got a suspension seat, which none of the others have got. And yeah, it's a nice old tractor, 1966. Now this one, which you've seen in a previous video, the Universal, this is a 1957, and I've finally managed to pick up the correct light for here. I've got the lamp bracket, which is painted at work, and I've got the correct lamp for here to make that genuine. So we'll be sandblasting that up. Found it on eBay, and we'll get that sandblasted, primed and painted while it's nice weather, and get that fitted, and then that's that one finished. Hello there. Now we've got a couple of new additions that have arrived. They'll be in upcoming videos, so stay tuned, and I'll get them out. Well, one edition's already arrived. It's been here a week, but there's something that's just been collected today, and it's quite unique. So if you keep your eyes peeled for future videos. That'll be coming up shortly. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a great day. It has been a great day today. Look at that. Can't ask for better than that. If only it was like that all year round. And eventually we will get onto the BMDs and get them finished. They'll be right when they're done. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. So long for now.